Hello, my name is Haley Willard, and I chose Moss Adams as the company to discuss. Moss Adams is an accounting, consulting, and wealth management firm, and a majority of their clients are small and large companies. Their identity is to bring more West to business. This is the firm's new core value. They believe it conveys that they want to bring more innovative and creative ways to approach their clients. On their website, they have an area specifically dedicated to articles written about their firm, most of which showed their image and how family friendly they are. They have advocates that travel school to school to tell students how amazing it is to work for the firm so they can continue bringing fresh faces. So for corporate advertising, they use word of mouth from their students. On their website, they tell you that they have an 88% positive employee referral. Their corporate responsibility, which the firm refers to as social responsibility, and they have 4 main key points, which is commitment to their people, investing in our communities, environmental sustainability, measuring our impact. They show commitment to their people by offering training and performance management. They also offer their employees engagement surveys to share their work experience. They support areas who have supported them by volunteering and giving charitable donations, sometimes matched dollar for dollar donations to the communities in which their firms are located. Sustainability is another one of their social responsibilities. The firm has developed specific goals and policies related to recycled materials, and they also measure the amount of impact that they are doing on their environment with the supplies that they are using. Most of the firm's media presence is articles written about them, or on popular websites advertising family-friendly places to work. On the firm's website, you can find links to these articles that talk about how the firm is big on work-life balance. 2 of the articles I posted were the 2016 Working Mother 100 Best Companies and the Best Adoption-Friendly Workplaces. They strive to be a family-friendly work-life company. They have a few ties in legislature. On their firm's website, there is a section dedicated to all the updates that are happening locally and nationally, which currently is the new tax reform. They even hold webcasts to help keep their clients informed and up to date. They have all kinds of up-to-date news articles, current news articles, everything that's been going on in media today is on their website. They are not hugely present on social media. They only have a few followers on their pages, but they do have a Twitter and a Facebook page. They are listed here on the screen. They have mostly careers pages that you can find that are for their employees and for potential employees. Choosing the company for this was pretty easy, as I was once one of the students that was sitting in a classroom listening to them present about how amazing it is to work for their firm and how we as students should look into their firm for internships and future career. And I had actually been doing that before this assignment was given. And I have taken the bait, and I have kind of enjoyed learning about them and seeing everything that they have to offer for their employees. Here are the references I used: the textbook, and then the 2 articles, and then of course I used their website. Thank you.